Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is December 16th. A lot of news out there this morning, keeping the markets very active. But corn to end the overnight session down 2 3/4 cents. Beans down 10 1/4. Wheat up about 8 3/4 cents. So finishing a little stronger for wheat. Big story out of the wheat. All eyes still on Russia. Russia went ahead, raised interest rates last night once again. So second time here in as many weeks. They went from 10.5% up to 17. So Russia's still trying to curb this inflation and trying to get control of this absolutely soaring food prices for them. So rumors right now. Yesterday they were going to go ahead. We're going to ship, no problems. Ship wheat. Now rumors today that they're going to go ahead and stop the shipment of wheat. They're trying to control this from if they keep their wheat, they're going to stockpile some of that and hopefully see if we can get food prices to come down a little bit. But I don't know. It's still just rumor at this time. No news yet from the government. The ruble is down 8% again this morning. They're hoping that this was going to try to get their currency to find some strength, but we've seen their currency continue to collapse. But 8% lower once again this morning. That's supporting the European currencies and in turn takes our dollar and pushes it down. So the dollar right now down about 62 cents. So in a little bit of trouble, setting back a little here this morning. But that's what's going on as far as the Russian wheat situation. And that's something that we certainly need to stay on top of and watch that. Right now, the funds have been short wheat. Are they going to come out of those positions? They have been, but they still have a ways to go if they're going to get back to more of a neutral position, especially before the new year. So we're coming into these holiday markets. Hanukkah begins later on this afternoon, and then we've got next week the Christmas holiday. And we're going to see a lot of volume kind of dry up here as guys take off. So that's going to push these markets around quite a bit as well. As far as the beans, you got talks of Chinese purchasers coming into Chicago today. They're going to bring in a purchase order and buy some beans. We've been hearing and talking about that for the last week. Now we've got rumors this morning saying that, hey, guess what? Maybe they're not going to buy this year's beans. They're going to come with a purchase order for 2015. So that's got beans down about 10 cents this morning and setting back a little bit. Most of that hype is kind of coming out of the market. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Are they really going to do that? Will they make a purchase for this year, or are they done for this year? So these are all questions we're going to have to see how it plays out as we go throughout the day. Looking at livestock, we know cattle have been sharply lower, especially feeders. Feeders were limit down for a third day yesterday. Probably going to start off again, limit down this morning. So we already have the asking price limit down to start the feeders this morning. They're not open just yet, but show lists down about 8,000 head. Box beef, though, up 49 for choice. Select up 57. No cash trades as of yet, but we continue to see this pullback, much like when we talk about wheat and these funds just getting out of positions. Well, they're also long in the livestock, too, and looks like they're tightening up on positions there as well. But can we start off limit lower for feeders, and will they trade today? It took all of 30 seconds for feeders to go down limit yesterday. Are we going to see something similar to that again today? But keep your eyes on that. That's going to have effect on fat cattle as well. Maybe continue to drag it lower for the time being as well. Hogs. Cutout values up 91 cents, finding a little support there. Hogs are still trying to find a bottom in here, trying to find a low where we can rally going into the Christmas holiday. But we haven't seen that just yet. I think we're getting some spillover selling with the cattle being down as sharply as it is. Certainly getting some spillover selling there for the hogs as well, but still trying to find that seasonal low in here, and may have to search a little longer if we continue to see cattle break back. Stock market's down 35 right now. You've got gold that's up $2. Silver that's down 23 cents right now. And then you've got the dollar that's down 62, so continuing to find some pressure with the situation going on in Russia and the effects that it has on Europe. So give us a call if you guys have questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.